In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT Study Mode. Study Mode turns ChatGPT into a patient tutor that explains ideas step by step, quizzes you, and adapts to how you learn. Start by opening chatgpt.com in your browser or the official app and sign into your account. Being logged in ensures your sessions are saved so you can pick up where you left off. Once you're in, you can work in a fresh conversation or any chat you already have. Study mode works either way. To turn it on, type "I study" directly into the message box and send it. There's nothing else to configure. You'll notice that from this point forward, the assistant focuses on teaching rather than just giving quick answers. A helpful way to begin is to mention the course or topic you're studying and your goal for today's session, like preparing for a quiz or reviewing a chapter. In study mode, expect clear step by step explanations that build intuition. If something feels confusing, ask for a simpler analogy, a worked example, or a slower walkthrough. You can also request the reasoning to be shown before the final answer so you can follow each step without skipping the why behind it. One of the most powerful features here is active recall. Ask for flashcards, short answer prompts, or a mixed quiz on the exact topics you need, such as derivatives rules, cell organelles, or World War II timelines. Try answering out loud or typing your response first, then ask for immediate feedback, hints, or a deeper explanation on anything you miss. This strengthens memory far more than rereading notes. As you use study mode over multiple sessions, it's designed to remember your preferences and common trouble spots. That means it can revisit weak areas, vary the difficulty, and pace practice so you make steady progress. Being consistent, returning to the same chat for a subject, helps it track your growth more effectively. For even more personalized help, upload your class notes, a syllabus, or clear photos of practice problems. Study mode uses that context to tailor explanations, connect concepts to your curriculum, and generate practice that mirrors your assignments. Provide any constraints you have, like the formula sheet you're allowed to use or the time limit you're aiming for. As with any online tool, avoid sharing sensitive or private information in your uploads. That's it. Turn on study, tell it what you're working on, practice with quizzes and flashcards, and let it guide you with step by step reasoning. Happy studying and good luck with your next exam.